Hey team, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be using Node. I'm going to write a small utility I've been using for years called path exposure. I hope you'll be able to use it, and I hope you'll be able to learn from this program. Let's write a command line utility using Node to show all our elements of the path. So vi show path.js. So console.log. Let's call this program path exposure. And then we're going to say let path equals process.env path. Let entries equal path, and then the string function split. And we're going to split on the semicolon. And then let me see, console.log total number of entries. Entries.length, that's an array. And console.log, let's put some dashes there, repeat 60, all right. And then what we'll do is we'll say for var equals I is 0, I is less than entries dot length I plus plus console.log I plus 1, and then the entry sub I. Okay, so that's a nice little script, right? It will fix the path so we don't have to see it as a, like one big old blob, right? Quit. So how do you say that? You say node show, and there it is, right? Path exposure, number of entries 44, and it kind of like shows me my path.